Hey, what you guys doing?
We're processing pomegranates to freeze them to eat next year.
Yeah. How are you gonna, how do you get the little red pips? How do you separate those out?
Uh, the white parts float in the air, but the pips sink down under the water.
Yeah, that's a good way to separate them, huh?
Yep.
Dane, show me all the red pips that are down at the bottom of the bowl.
Yes.
Wow, are we gonna put those in some little bags and freeze them?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we actually got more.
You guys got a lot of, got a whole bucket full of those pomegranates to do, huh?
Yep, we got a lot of it.
Is this hard work?
Yep.
Is it a little bit fun?
Yep. Maybe after we get to get some since we did all the hard work.
Yeah, who picked all these out of the tree?
Us.
Wow. You guys are hard workers, huh?
Yep. We picked 100,000.
We're gonna have to eat a lot of these tonight, huh?
Maybe we could eat some.
Maybe we won't freeze all of them. We could just have a big pomegranate feast.